Hi, this is Gloria Stickney with So Fabulous in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and we're having a fabric sale this Saturday, February 23rd, 2019 in our home. And we have fabrics and quilts that we have to sell, and we have brought in the colors of 2019. So the Pantone color for 2019 is called Living Coral, and the Kona color is called Splash. And so we've brought in a variety of fabrics that are in these two flavors. And so this would make a great collection for you to create for 2019. Bright spring colors that you can make placemats and table runners and napkins or quilts or bags or totes or jackets or whatever that you have for your next quilting project. So we hope that you'll join us this Saturday, 9 o'clock until 3 o'clock, and our address is 5011 Queensway Road in Winston-Salem. Come and see the fabulous quilts that we made that are for sale, and bring a friend. Thank you.